Hey there, money-savvy viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday financial hacks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to link a Discover card to Zelle. If you've got a Discover card and want to use Zelle for quick payments, you're in the right place. Zelle is a super convenient app for sending and receiving money, but linking a credit card like Discover isn't always straightforward. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, make sure you have both a Discover card and a Zelle account set up. Note that Zelle primarily works with bank accounts, so if your Discover card is a credit card, you might need to link it through a connected checking account. Start by opening the Zelle app on your smartphone or visiting the website. Log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, download the app and sign up quickly. Once you're in, head to the Settings or Manage Accounts section. Look for an option like Add a bank or card. Here, you'll enter your Discover card details. Zelle may prompt you to verify your account, so be prepared to receive a small test deposit or answer security questions. This usually takes a few days, so patience is key. If you run into issues, like an error message saying your card isn't supported, double-check with Discover's website or customer service. Sometimes, you might need to use your Discover debit card instead, which is linked to a bank account. Always ensure your app is updated to the latest version to avoid compatibility problems. And there you have it. That's how you link your Discover card to Zelle. Now you can send money to friends and family with ease. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.